Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
How Chef Ginger Found Her Passion. Long ago, before she was the famous Chef Ginger, she was just a curious little kitten named Ginger, living in a bustling village full of animals. Ginger loved to explore, sniffing every flower and poking her nose into every nook and cranny. One sunny morning, Ginger was strolling through the village when her nose caught a whiff of something amazing. It smelled warm, spicy, and oh so delicious. Following the scent, she padded to the town square where a friendly raccoon named Chef Casserole was stirring a giant pot of soup. "Meow, hello, what smells so yummy?" asked Ginger, her tail twitching with excitement. "It's vegetable soup," said Chef Casserole. "Want to help me make it?" "Me help cook?" Ginger tilted her head. She had never cooked before. "Of course, cooking is just like exploring. You try new things," Chef Casserole said, handing Ginger a little wooden spoon. Ginger eagerly jumped in. She stirred the pot, tasted the broth, and even added a pinch of salt. When the soup was ready, the entire village gathered to eat. Everyone loved it, and they all said, "Chef Casserole, this is the best soup ever." "But it wasn't just me," said Chef Casserole. "Ginger helped." Ginger's whiskers twitched with pride. "Meow, amazing. I want to learn more about cooking." From that day on, Ginger spent her days experimenting in the kitchen. She made all sorts of treats: tuna biscuits, carrot cupcakes, and even dandelion tea. Sometimes things didn't turn out quite right, like the time she made a pancake that was so hard it bounced. But Ginger never gave up. Years later, Ginger opened her own little restaurant, Paw Gourmet, where animals from all over the land came to try her food. She wore a special chef's coat and her signature tilted hat, always ready to create something new. Every time she cooked, Ginger remembered what Chef Casserole taught her. Cooking is like exploring. You try new things. And that's how Chef Ginger's journey began, with a curious nose, a kind raccoon, and a big pot soup.
Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let the adventures begin.